Challenge series. So today is day 37 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 415 add strings. So let's see the problem statement. So we have given two non-negative integers num1 and num2 represent as a string. Return the num1 of sum of n1 and num2 as a string. Okay, so you must not solve the problem without using any built-in library for handling large integers, and you must not convert the inputs to integer directly. Fine, so we have the constraint to not to convert the given string as any integer directly, and we can't use any inbuilt function. Otherwise we can directly just convert integer dot percent of this two and will simply return the sum, but that is not the case here. So basically we have to use a string as it is, and we will have to go digit by digit. Okay, so if the constraint we have given num1 dot length and num2 should be between the range of 1 to 10 to the power 4, and both is having only digits, that is for sure, and there is no non-repeating zeros except the 0 itself. Fine, so like in this case what we can do is we'll iterate from backside both the string at a time using two pointer, and we'll do the sum and take the remainder in some variable to next sum of the digits, right? Okay, so let's start the coding. So first of all we'll take the size of both one. So n1 is num1 dot length s1, as we are starting as 0 indexing, so we taking this way. So and 2 should be similar, num2 dot length, and there can be possibility like both characters not be same, so we have to handle this scenario as well while running the loop. And we'll take one carry forward. I will take one carry. Okay, for now we'll take a 0 by default. Now we will run our loop. Okay, we'll run our loop till we have some digit present in a given both of them, so we'll have to check at the same time. So yeah, we'll check if num is greater than 0 or and 2 is also greater than 0, or carry should not be equal to 0, then we will execute our loop every time. So to do the addition, right? Now what we can do here is, yeah, so I'll take int first variable to take the digit from the first one. So here will be num1 dot character, it will use caret n1, let's say. Okay, so it will give me the correct that digit. We'll do minus from 0, right? In order to find, we need to, what we can do, we can minus from 0. Okay, so it will give me a character. Even like we have to do one more condition check here. If my n1 is greater than 0, then only we should get, else we will just get 0 as the integer. For similar way, if we will take the digit from backside from the second string given, we'll check the length. Similarly, we'll take the character from the last, and if it is not, we'll take at 0, because any of both can be size lesser than among this, right, or equal. Now we will need some string to store our value, right? So we'll create one string builder. Let's say answer is equal to new string builder. Fine. Now we'll just here what we will do, we will first find a total of the current last two digit. Total will be first plus second plus carry, in case if we have any carry with us, so we will simply sum that as well. And while assigning to the answer, what we'll do, we will take totals digit, so it can be 2 digit as well, right? So we will take mod of 10 here, and in carry will store carry will be total 10, right? Fine. This way we will find last digit sum. Now we'll decrease from backside as we are picking from backside, right? So similar way we'll do decrement our counter. Fine. So at last we will have the sum, total sum with us. Now as we are storing from the backside, we need to reverse our string. So while returning, what we will do, we'll do dot answer dot reverse dot to a string. So yeah, we are taking the sum, we carried out returning, and so string is the return type. So yeah, this looks fine. We are taking 0 indexing. Okay, so as we are taking 0 indexing, so it should check till 0 as well. We should include 0 index as well in order to find it. Is it fine? So it will give the exact 0 index as well. And while summing up, we are taking all three, because anyway in the next iteration we will have some carry value. Now we are appending into our answer by modeling, and carry should be it should not be plus, my bad here. So we just need to find the carry for, we can't sum up, because it will end up with the summing of all the carries from all the digits, so we don't want that. Fine, hope it works. Let's submit and see. See, our test cases got passed, all the tests. Let's submit and see other test cases scenarios. See, our all 317 test cases got passed at 98 bits, 98%. Fine. So yeah, if we talk about time complexity here, so as we are iterating over both the strings length n1 and n2, so it will be go of n1 plus n2, right? And as we are storing in the one string, so it will be a big of n1 plus n2, nothing, just size of these two strings. Let me know if you know any other approaches other than this. That's all for today. Let's be on it.